Goa has always attracted numerous travelers across the world for its hospitable nature. Initially amateur in catering the industry needs, the state slowly started producing some of the finest talents from various colleges. One such institute is IAM. With every single step, IAM has been able to make a mark amongst young Goan culinary geniuses and has turned dreams into reality. For a considerable time with its unique project Future Chef Goa, numerous wannabe chefs wait eagerly for the golden opportunity to debut on a professional front. It has indeed been the quintessential ticket to fame. This IAM New York campus has been witness to some exceptional talent who have taken the road into the culinary world. The team at IAM takes privilege to conduct Future Chef Goa, and the brand has grown amongst the industry leaders and participating students with every single edition. After last year's scintillating show, we are back again to make you witness yet another edition of IAM Future Chef Goa 2018, where young chef will try to impress our judges and stand a chance to win the title. Who will impress? Who will take away the prize money? Who will win? All those questions might be popping up while you are watching the show. Well, the sizzle has just started. We have a long way to go along with our contenders. The stage is set. The preparations are ready. The students and the faculties are up to welcome all the participants of IAM Future Chef Goa 2018. Some smiling, some under pressure, as they all walk towards the registration desk assisted by the IAM students before they walk towards the briefing room, where the faculty is all up to make them comfortable. These are the top 20 contenders for the semi-final, and the best will move to the grand finale. But hey, how did they end up here? Were they chosen or lucky ones? We will answer them all, but first, let's take you in the flashback mode where the IAM Future Chef Goa team conducted preliminary rounds across Goan schools where 602 students participated. Post-scrutiny, 200 future chefs were further invited to the IAM New York campus for quarterfinals. After extensive scrutiny, the best top 20 have been selected and are summoned for the semi-final. Extensive scrutiny, the best top 20 have been selected and are summoned for the semi-final. Let us know our contenders as they head to the briefing room. Soumya Rathihali, Mayur Borkar, Guruprasad Dange, Nutin Patil, Shahjahan Sheikh, Riyaz Syed, Sania Munir, Janoshka Fernandez, Megha Gunjikar, Mackenzie Rodriguez, Leo Afonso, Abdul Hamid, Janisha Traveso, Ijaz Mullah, Husna Sheikh, Hafna Sheikh, Deepak Thakur, Mohammad Tajamul, Kajal Tiwari and Misha Lobo. IAM. Settled against the picturesque backdrop of a sprawling 22-acre over a hillock, IAM made a special presence in the western part of the country. IAM has its campus at the fully operational IndiSmart Woodburn Resort, standing within its picturesque surrounding. Its landscape garden and swimming pool offers fully furnished 6 luxury villas and 28 super deluxe rooms with laundry service and 24-hour room service. Students studying in Goa have complete access to real-life hotel operations, which adds to their educational qualification. Chef Sanjay Ka, corporate chef for IndiSmart Group and host for IAM Future Chef Goa 2019, made the participants comfortable with the format of the show and shared some valuable insights. From briefing room, they will now head to the finale area. Before the young chefs decide career out in hospitality, they need someone to encourage their culinary skills, and they have a chance to make a steamy start to this career right here. Life at IAM is different. That's what its students are out to do. Make a difference.
Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Bose from IAM Goa, and it's my great honor and privilege to welcome all of you to this edition of the Future Chef Goa organized by IAM Hotel School Goa. So this brand over the years has become so popular among the youngsters of Goa, and of course not just Goa but of course people around Goa also, and they all come and take part in this amazing competition meant for the students of class 11 and 12. It's a culinary competition, as you all know, the biggest culinary competition for the students in Western India in fact, and this brand has become a big brand now. A lot of schools are now participating, and I'm very happy that over the last 4-5 years this has become a major competition, and it is encouraging the children, the students, not just to come and cook but also to learn cooking as a part of their life skill. The leaders of the hospitality industry in Goa has been absolutely fantastic in supporting this initiative, and all the top chefs of all the top 5-star hotel, be it Taj or Park Hyatt, Grand Hyatt, everybody came forward. They came and gave them a lot of encouragement. I think the response we got from the industry is absolutely brilliant. So now the time has come to say thank you to everybody.
The first time when we entered this institute, we were taken for a hotel tour. Now a lot of people didn't even know what a hotel was. Those who did hadn't really seen the in-depth pictures before. So to get first-hand experience from an institute like this really meant a lot.
As a student of second year, IAM gave me an opportunity to do my internship in India or internationally. With the motivation of my faculty members, I decided to do my internship in the US, which gave me a lot of confidence to work abroad, away from my home, and also improve my communication skills.
So in this institution we held different events like breakfast event, theme lunch event and food fest, in which like students actively participate in each and every departments, like in front office, in F&B, in housekeeping and in kitchen. So in which like students participate and they actually work and they get on the fields and they work like practically. So that helps students like in future if they are working. So we get the confidence and we get the courage to hold different events.
Hi everyone, I'm Abdul Hadi and I'm an international student who has come from Sri Lanka all the way here to study in IAM. When I joined here, it was mesmerizing to see that there was a lot of events that happens here, and the teachers who are very cooperative with the students and train the students to make us more better and keep us in mindset that we can also perform better for our future. And there was a lot of events, and the main event that I had attended was the food fest. That was the international food fest, and it was a great experience for me, and it's a pleasure being and studying here in this college.
Top 20 comprises of the best of the talent selected from the grueling quarterfinals. The participants are all geared up to showcase their culinary skills and stand a chance to win 2 lakh rupees. The semi-final will be joined in by some of the finest talents and industry leaders in the culinary circuit of Goa. In the next couple of episodes, we will get to be part of their journey, as one of them will be crowned IAM Future Chef Goa. So stay tuned for a culinary delight. The door to the culinary arena is open, and here comes the top 20 IAM Future Chef Goa contenders. This is where the best will battle it out to freeze their place in the grand finale. But not before we set the rules of the game. Chef Sanjay Kak and Chef Sangeeta briefed the top 20 for the final time as they set their sail in this arena to be there for the top 10.
Okay, good morning participants and welcome to IAM Goa. It's a wonderful day and we are looking forward to find the IAM Future Chef Goa 2019. You are the lucky ones from hundreds of participants who have toiled over the last 2-3 months, and we have the top 20 with us now. The competition today is the semi-final of the bigger competition, semi-final round. You know you have 90 minutes to cook one main course with accompaniments, which may include a starch and a vegetable or a lentil accompaniment. You have at your back the pantry. You need to go to the pantry when the time starts. We'll be giving you 10 minutes to go to the pantry initially. You go pick up your required ingredients. You have bowls and platters on your table. You can take your bowls The buddies along with you, IAM students, are your guides for the day. I am sure you have introduced yourself, and they will be your guides till the time you finish your cooking today. They will be helping you in doing errands, in guiding you. They will be helping you in running the induction, because they know this kitchen much more than you know it. So, but at the same time they have their limitations.
Yes.
They will not be helping you in the cooking. They will not be guiding you through the cooking process. They will help you and restrain you from getting into accidents like burning yourself, cutting yourself. None of these people, none of these IAM buddies will be helping you in the cooking process. Of course, you can request them to go and do errands for you. If you want some puree to be made in a mixie, they will run around for you and do that. If you want some more ingredients to be picked up, they will go and do it for you. But they will not be helping you in the cooking, correct? You all understand this? Can you hear a big yes? Yes. Wonderful. So all the best to you, and we will be starting the pantry time in a few moments. Thank you and all the best. The IAM Future Chef Goa cook-off begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and start.
Once the rules are clear, it is ready, steady, jet, set, go. As they all head towards the pantry area to fetch their ingredients. Of the entire hustle bustle, participants need to be clear on the requirements. The buddies in the pantry are there to help them. After fetching the ingredients, it is time to work their magic. After chef's instruction, there is no time to look back. All the participants are out to cook their dish.
So you will be making, I can see some nicely boiled vegetables here. So you look like cooking a western dish, a continental dish. A chicken steak with what? What else?
Hub rice.
Okay.
Saute veggies.
Okay.
And mashed potatoes.
Excellent. Potatoes are boiling already. You know that you will have to cook 2 portions? So be careful about the quantities. So what are you cooking, my friend?
Parmesan chicken.
Parmesan chicken, excellent. I am impressed. That's why the crumbs are here.
Yeah.
Wow, like very good, very nice. You marinated the chicken already?
Yeah.
So are you stuffing the chicken with something? No, you're basically pan searing it.
Yeah.
Putting crumb on top and then searing it in a pan. So these are accompaniments.
Great Parmesan chicken. Parmesan chicken.
Wow, wonderful. So this your mise en place is ready. So this is a YouTube recipe, right? Huh? Looks like one because all the mise en place is ready. So did you weigh the flour and all? No. Okay. So it is just for coating the. Very good. Excellent. Nutan, I can see that you have fried your onions already. And wonderful. So what are you going to do with these onions?
I'm going to put it in my chicken biryani.
You're making a chicken biryani. Wow. And what is that?
It is fish. I have marinated it.
So you're making
Fish fry.
fish fry, chicken biryani, and then I can see rice. So this is for the biryani. So your main course is going to be the fish, the biryani, and you're going to and the very good. Honey chicken, honey and little garlic and ginger, right? Paste. What about the corn?
Oh, that is for the rice. Corn
That's
and
for the-
ginger rice.
Okay, this is for the chicken. Wonderful. So honey and ginger chicken and corn rice.
Corn and ginger rice.
Corn and ginger rice. Excellent. Good combination. All the best. Oh, you're making a ravioli pasta. Okay. So this is you're going to stuff it into the ravioli. Okay. So what are you going to do the sauce with? So you will stuff the ravioli with this, right? And what about the sauce?
The sauce, and I will
Okay, so you toss it. Okay. Okay, so you're going to make a sauce with the onion and garlic. Very good, excellent. If you first you do your main course and your accompaniment, then you go to first you do paratha and your chicken korma, then you go to the dessert. Okay, if you feel you have time, then do. Otherwise, don't do. So Deepak, what are you making? Nasi goreng. Oh wow, that's my favorite. So you're using chicken in the nasi goreng. Are you using some prawns also? Prawn is there.
I want a small size.
So you can cut it. Cut it into smaller pieces. Okay, you will make chicken with egg, and you have all the vegetables ready. Your rice is getting ready.
And I'm not getting orange juice.
Okay, that's okay. You can use lemon.
I'm doing this chicken egg too.
Very good, excellent. This looks very nice. So what are you making? I can see mashed potato, already boiled potato.
I'm making fish meal with stir-fried vegetables and tartar sauce.
Okay, so what is this potato for?
Bottom.
Okay, you'll be putting it at the base.
At the bottom with all the stir-fried vegetables and I'll be placing my fish on top of it.
Okay, so
I
think you will need to boil. Need to boil it a little more. Otherwise, here is fish manure. Fish manure with stir-fried vegetables and mashed potato.
The clock is ticking and the tension seems to pile up with every passing second.
Four,
3,
2,
1.
please stay aside your table, leave the tables.
No more cooking.
The stress to be the best has taken the toll on the participants, and now the tough part, evaluating. Chefs will have to look closely at every dish and hard work behind it. This evaluation will stand a chance to be in the finals of IAM Future Chef Goa 2018. The job might be tough, but so are our judges. One by one, participants get through the grilling process of judging, and only the best will survive in the battle. IAM Future Chef Goa 2019 saw the industry leaders being part of the hunt. Respected names from the culinary circuit in Goa were there to cheer and groom the participants. The event saw Chef Abhijit Naik, Executive Sous Chef Leela Goa, Chef Leon, Executive Sous Chef Radisson Blue Cavelosi, Chef Farooq Beg, Executive Chef Zuri, Chef Sanjay Kak, Corporate Chef Indie Smart Group, and Sandra Pereira, Senior Lecturer in Catering and Restaurant Management at St. Alex High Secondary School, Kurtori.
We have just finished the semi-final round of IAM Future Chef Goa 2019, and we are ready for we saw some exciting dishes being churned up by the participants. We have to remember that these students are students of 11th and 12th standard from schools all across Goa who have fought very hard to come up to the top 20. We have the top 20 young chefs from the schools of Goa who are from the 11th and 12th standard. We have seen some fantastic dishes being ruffled up here. We have an august company of chefs, the top chefs from the city who will be judging all of you. And we will start with the table number 1, who is Somya Ratihali. You will be getting your plates up and we'll be tasting your dishes. So let's get going. Please stand.
So I think let's maybe take a piece each. Yeah, here just a small. Can use this.
Yeah.
This looks very exciting. So I think let's start with the starter. This is so Somya, what is your starter here? You made a lamb dish, right? So what is the lamb? What is the lamb? The mutton one? That's
Chicken tikka.
Tikka.
Yeah.
Lamb tikka. What is your dessert, Somya?
Rosy Delight.
Rosy
Delight.
So it is made out of what?
Bread.
Bread
Sliced
and
bread and cream. Fresh cream.
and
Fresh cream.
fresh cream. And coconut, right?
What?
And coconut.
Yeah, desiccated coconut.
How do you check if the rice was cooked or not? How do you check the rice?
First I have half boiled it, then I have layered. First I have made chicken, then first I have putted one layer of chicken, then I have putted rice, then again chicken, then again rice. And after I have first also cooked chicken also. Then after layering them all, for 15 minutes I let them on dum. After that I checked it was done.
Nutan, tell me something about the marination of the fish.
Fish, I have just added red chili, salt, lemon and some turmeric.
You like chilies.
Yeah. Basically I'm Maharashtrian,
So you like spicy
spice.
food. Okay, good. You like making only continental food, Western food, or you like making Indian food also?
Only continent.
Only continental. If you would not have made Parmesan chicken, what would you have made?
I will be make some pastas.
You would have made some pasta.
White pasta, cornmeal pasta.
So you like making pasta. Have you ever made fresh pasta yourself?
Fresh pasta. Yes.
Tell me something about the nasi goreng. What all did you put it in?
It is the rice, boiled rice, then prawns, breast chicken in this, black pepper powder. It's nothing.
Did you add soya?
Yeah, soya sauce, soya sauce and butter.
So if you don't eat any of the vegetables, how did you know that they were cooked, the rest of the thing?
Like that I know to cook without eating also.
Really? How did you know this, the big potato veg was cooked?
I just poke them.
And how did you check for salt and other seasonings?
That's what
I didn't check.
She believes more on instinct.
Yeah. She's more of a motherly cook. Tell us something about the marination of the fish.
Marination, I used balsamic vinegar for that, some oil and rosemary with turmeric and chili powder, salt.
So it's basically a combination of
Yes.
east and west.
How did you make the gravy?
With tomatoes, tomato paste. Then I had fried the tomato and I added masalas. Then I made puree of it, and then I added curd, cream and milk, and even nuts paste.
Okay, Kajal, well done.
I had come down for judging over here, was quite excited to see the candidates. In fact, quite promising when you talk about the presentation. All were good and with new ideas also, and very happy to see these newcomers with different talent. And I believe this is one of the best platforms to encourage us young guys like who really want to present themselves, showcase themselves. I was more shocked and surprised, got to know even the food was prepared 1 hour prior, and when it came to presentation, the taste part, the presentation part was excellent. I wish all the students all the best, and happy to know that, and more happy to come on board to judge these candidates. Definitely it's a good platform, I would say, and we got new talents coming on board where we do absorb them, and it's challenging for us to find the stuff, but this is one of the best platform, I believe, where we can easily get people who are already ready to start with. And I would say it's an opportunity for us also and for them also to join us, and definitely looking forward with IAM itself. Thank you.
Today's judging was all about giving, it was, if you see, it was a talent show, giving wings to the budding talent. The food tasting that we did was like, I was quite astonished to see that the level of talent that was come today. I mean, being a students of higher secondary classes, because if I had to ask myself what was the platform that was given to us that time, we didn't have any such platform. But looking at what IAM is doing and giving all these budding chefs such a platform is quite amazing. I mean, it's not also that, it's also that it's go to see that hard work that has been put on by the institute and also by the students to make this event a grand success. With me, I mean, I've been associated with IAM. I'm coming here to judge competition for the last few years. I mean, the thing is that coming over here, I mean, I come over here basically because the learning never stops. I mean, there was a girl basically who had made a dessert with a bread. I mean, it's also that it's also a learning. It's not that we know everything. I mean, in our culinary field, the learning never stops. So I mean, it's been a great experience all these years which I have come over here and judged. There is a lot of few tips that I've taken from here too. So I wish all the best to everyone and in the future too.
Our students have been taking part in the IAM Future Chef competition for the last 3 years. And every year that it starts, they just wait for the opportunity to just take part, show their talent. And each time that they take part, irrespective of whether they win or not, it is a very joyous occasion because it gives them a platform wherein they can showcase their talents, which is not otherwise recognized because most of these students come from a very rural background, okay? And they try their level best, putting up a lot of effort in the event. Each year, they are selected for the semi-finals. Just last year, a student was selected for the semi-finals who won the best starters, who was Felix Fernandez. He was also from Dabolim. This year, I have 3 students who are participating for the semi-final round, and I hope that they take part for the finals as well and win. Whether the results are in their favor or not, I would like to thank IAM Future Chef for providing them this opportunity and making it a great success, because holding an event on such a large scale, because they take students from all over Goa for the preliminary rounds, it's a very big thing because they have to take into account many things into consideration. So once again, thank you IAM Future Chef.
In the next week's episode, we will get to see who makes it to the top 10 and stand a chance to win the prize money of 2 lakh rupees and a promising career in the culinary world.